Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. I actually just got done filming this look today, just trying some new things, new to me at least. Basically just like a full face of first impressions kind of thing. But I just got this other package in the mail and I'm just too excited to wait. So we're just gonna open it up and try these things as well. And then you'll see that other video of this look next week. Let's open this thing up. So I got the lip liners that Rhode just came out with. Basically, I've been looking for a good lip liner lately. So I feel like this was actually something that I did kind of like, I don't know. It wasn't a totally just like on the whim purchase or anything. I love, let me find it here. She gets easily lost. I love the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lip liner. At this point, it's just like a little nub. Look at that thing. And before I repurchased this, I wanted to try other things. I mean, this has been around for a long time. It's a popular one. It's kind of like a good classic lip liner, but I really want to try other things to see if I liked other things, if I could find something that I liked better or just as much as I like this, just to, you know, try other new things. The two I like kind of recently have tried were the Urban Decay 24/7 lip pencil and the Fenty newer lip liners. I really like this shade of the Urban Decay one. It's in Rush, but it just does not last nearly as long as the Pillow Talk lip liner. And then this shade was just probably a wrong pick for me. It's just a little too dark. I just don't go for it. I do not like a dark, like a really dark lip on myself. I am like, for reference, I am totally just a lip balm girl. Day to day, I pretty much wear either just like a tinted lip balm or even just like a clear lip balm. Like the one I've just been having with me at all times right now has been the Auric lip balm. And that's why I like the Pillow Talk lip liner, is because it looks almost like my lip color, but just defines my lip shape a little bit more and just makes my lips like pop a little bit more. So basically, I'm just looking for a lip liner to wear with my lip balm. Like, I just want a little bit of color, a little bit of definition, something I can like whip on. These just looked perfect for what I was going for. Lots of really pretty shades. It was kind of hard to find, to like figure out shades online, obviously, but they did just announce they're gonna be in Sephora soon, so then you can actually go and try it out and everything in store and swatch them, which is nice. One shade I was sure on, like I was like, I'm gonna love that shade. And then one I wanted to do like a more contoury one, but that's what was hard, was I didn't want to go too deep, because I knew if it was just even a little bit too deep, I just like wouldn't go for it. This is the box. Rhode, every time I've ever ordered from them, have very minimal packaging, which I actually appreciate. Just for waste wise, for me, I like packaging as far as like the component of the actual package, but I don't like, you don't have to do a lot with the shipping stuff. For me, to me, that's just a little bit more wasteful. You open it once, you see it, and you're like, okay, cool, and then you throw it away kind of thing. So I appreciate that they always have pretty minimal packaging. And honestly, everything I've ever used from Rhode I've liked. I haven't used too much of it really, the way that like I probably could order and like most of their things, but I really try to be mindful with it and not like order too many things that I know I don't need, but there's always a balance, you know. So I got the shades Lunge, which I knew I really was gonna like. I think it was described as like a rosy mauve on the website. And I got Twist. So there was one, I think it was called maybe Lean, I want to say, that was a little bit deeper than Twist, and it was the one that like Hailey Bieber in her videos used a lot, like mentioned that she really likes. Like, it's like one of her go-to shades, but for me, I just, again, was worried it was a little too dark. So I got Twist instead, which is a little bit lighter, but still kind of that contoury shade. Enhance your natural lip shape by shading the outline of your lips and blending it inward with the smudging end to create a contoured effect. So it's the Peptide Lip Shape. So just like their Peptide Lip Treatment, they are infused with peptides. Let's take this lip off. Like I said, this is from my previous video I just filmed. Let's go in with Lunge. Oh my gosh. It is like so small. Oh, mine's like a little bit, she got a little damaged. Bit off my Kleenex. So one end is the lip liner. It's like a little bit thicker than like a normal lip liner. And then you got the little silicone smudger on the other side. I feel like you've probably seen this. You know what I'm talking about. Let's do this. This shade. It's a winner. I'm gonna use the silicone end. I didn't realize that it was like a little bit slanted. Just a little detail. I didn't realize that it was slanted up. I thought that it was just like a flat smudger. Just smudge it out a little bit. You can of course use your finger. It is nice to like have a little detailed thing just for the very edge. That's a really pretty color. It is a touch deeper than I thought it was gonna be, but I like it. I love that it's warmer. Like, I like a good warm undertone. So let's do a little bit of balm on top. Yeah, I like that. It's soft. You don't have that like stark line look. I feel like you can just like whip it on with how thick it is. Just easy peasy. So this better work long term. Cause I feel like I always put a lip liner on. I'm like, oh yeah, it looks so good. Like, love it. And then it's the wearability, the like it lasting, what's gonna be like truly the deciding factor. I'm just gonna like dab off the balm, which definitely took some of the liner off a little bit, but it's still there. Little remnants. And we're gonna do twist. This one I don't really remember. I think they called it like a warm brown or something like that. This one's not like damaged at all like the other one. That's really pretty. I'm glad I didn't go with the darker one because this is still very, very wearable for me. A little rough blend. And do a little bit of twist. Okay, pretty. Both of those are so pretty. Like super, super wearable. Got my lip balm again. They're even pretty together. I feel like I'll probably wear Lunch more because it's that like more mauve-y, closer to my lip color shade, but Twist is still very wearable for me. It's just more of that like brown, which I don't wear all the time, but really pretty. I mean, I feel like they do exactly what they say they're gonna do, but the only thing is like we'll see if they last on the lips. We'll see, but really pretty. Excited to like play with them. I'm hoping that it will like be my everyday lip liner, add that little bit of definition, a little bit of shape to my lips, so I'm not just wearing lip balm by itself, which is totally fine, but it adds an extra little, you know, oomph to your makeup. So those are the Rhode Peptide Lip Shapes. Felt like something I could really like love and use daily, so we'll see. I'll keep you posted, but I just want to try those for you today. My camera totally died after filming 2 videos, so the lighting's way different, but hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely give it a like if you did, and subscribe to my channel to see a new video every week. So I'll see you next week for another video and more makeup content. Bye! Hold on tight. I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we